In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify iCloud account. By the end, you'll know exactly what Apple means by verification, where to find your codes, and how to complete each prompt confidently without getting stuck. First, a quick overview of what Verify iCloud account means. When you create or sign in to your Apple account, Apple asks you to confirm that it's really you. This keeps your information secure. Verification usually happens in a few ways: confirming your email address, receiving a code by text message, or getting a 6-digit code on a trusted Apple device. That 6-digit code is part of two-factor authentication, and it's required for most accounts today. Let's start with verifying your email address. If you just created your account, open the inbox for the email you used when you signed up. Look for a message from Apple and open it. Inside, you'll either see a button or link to verify, or a short code you can enter where prompted. Completing this step confirms that the email really belongs to you and lets Apple use it for account notices and security alerts. If you don't see the message, check your junk or promotions folder, then refresh your inbox and try again. Next, the most common verification you'll see: the 6-digit code. When you sign into iCloud, enter your Apple ID and password as usual. Right after that, Apple sends a 6-digit code to a trusted place. That might be a text message to your phone number, or a notification on a trusted Apple device signed in with the same account. If it's a device notification, tap to allow the sign-in and you'll see the code displayed. Carefully type that code into the sign-in screen to finish. This step confirms that even if someone knows your password, only you can complete the login. You'll also see this flow when signing in at the iCloud website. Go to the official site, enter your Apple ID and password, then check your phone or trusted device for the code. Enter the code on the site to continue. Apple adds this extra check to make sure it's truly you before showing your data. If you didn't get the code, tap or click "Didn't get a code" to resend it. Then check your text messages and your email's spam or junk folder. Make sure the phone number on your account is correct, and if you have another trusted Apple device available, you can use that to receive the code instead. That's it. Follow these prompts, enter the codes where shown, and your iCloud account will be verified and secured.